Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please watch the full video, hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get started. Open the pixel app, select the import button, go to the gallery, select a picture, adjust the picture, and then select the text option, edit by time. Select the size, adjust the size, color, select the color option, adjust the color, select the font option, adjust the font, and then select the text option, edit option by time. Adjust the size, change the color, select the color option, adjust the color, select the stroke, enable button down, adjust the color, and then select the copy option, change the color, select the color option, adjust the color, save the letter, select the save option, adjust the save confirmation. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.